Dhanno and me stuck under a Bharat Petroleum shed. Thank you so much. We just refueled in Himachal Pradesh, just a few kilometers out of Pathankot in Punjab. We've got into Himachal, and it so happens that yet again I'm back in Himachal. I just fueled up, tanked up here. I think I should be good to go to Chandigarh now. And Dhanno's doing absolutely fine. Even the lights are burning. The blue lights that we've installed are nice and proper. And you know, the interesting part is in the same property, we have a Hero Honda workshop along with a Bharat Petroleum pump. Bharat Petroleum, an Indian company, Hero Honda, an Indian company, teaming up, joining up together to create wonderful efficiencies in work and business. Fantastic, isn't it? Now, well, a lot of people have given me feedback saying, why aren't you taking your own videos as part of this documentary film? Well, because I want to show you India, not me, people. But this is me, very much me, with my yellow glasses on a yellow and blue Bharat Petroleum fuel station. And it started raining again. And let me show you. It is raining, people. I can take a chance and go out on this slightly muddy road. If you can see, there's some construction going on here, so I could do that. I could get onto this road and, you know, drive on towards Hoshiarpur, or I could take a tea break. Let me see if I can get a cup of tea here, and I mean water as well. Alright, thank you for watching, and maybe I'm gonna send this video to Bharat Petroleum corporate headquarters in Bombay and say thanks for fueling my Dhanno through this ride for Efficient India. And we haven't had a problem so far in about 800 kilometers. The carburetor's not got jammed or anything of the sort. And it's fun. It's fun going to a Bharat Petroleum pump. Thank you, people. Thank you. This is the cup of tea that has been offered to me on their own by Bharat Petroleum. That's why मैं बार बार कहता हूँ कि भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहाँ जब कोई देखता है कि कोई बहुत दूर से आया तो उसको चाय मांगने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, उसके लिए चाय आती है। ये मैंने कहीं पे भी ज़िंदगी में किसी देश में नहीं देखा है कि जहाँ लोग तुम्हारे को पूछें आके कि सर आप चाय पियोगे, आप थके हुए लग रहे हो, पीठ पे आपके सामान है। ये भारत है। दिस इज़ कुशल भारत दैट आई कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट, द वंडरफुल इंडिया, जहाँ के लोग तुम्हें देखकर मुस्कुराते हैं, चीखते चिल्लाते नहीं, ऐसे सड़ी हुई नाक नहीं दिखाते तुम्हें। ये भारत है। लेट मी एंजॉय दिस कप ऑफ टी नाउ। थैंक यू भारत पेट्रोलियम अगेन, वंस अगेन, थैंक यू सो मच।